It's time for your statewide Alabama weathercast.
And a good Saturday morning to you. I'm meteorologist Bill Murray here in Studio A at the Alabama Weather Network, and our satellite and radar fairly clear. Matter of fact, you have to go back all the way up into southern Missouri and southeastern Oklahoma really to find any appreciable rain on the radar. A few light showers showing up off the southeastern coast this morning off of Georgia and South Carolina, but Alabama clear as a bell in terms of radar. Got a little bit of fog. We'll see that in just a moment. But what we're watching for this weekend and this week ahead, the warm conditions will continue. High temperatures in some places into the lower 90s, middle 90s even. Record highs yesterday, places like the Shelby County Airport. Now their period of record very small, but the drought conditions are worsening. We'll look at that a little later today. But a midweek cold front pushing into the region promises a little bit of relief as we go through time. Now, low temperatures so far today, still hanging in this middle 60s range. A few spots in the lower 60s. Eufaula checking in at 63. So is Troy. Auburn checking in at 68. Gulf Shores this morning 72 degrees. Visibility this morning across the region generally good. Florence checking in at 1 mile. Areas that got heavy rain yesterday have had some patchy ground fog in spots, but no real obstructions to visibility. This is the beautiful view from Orange Beach. Looking at Perdido Pass this morning, 76 degrees, a humid morning, but just a gorgeous start to the day on the Alabama Gulf Coast. And up in Florence, we do see the clear skies there, a little high cloudiness off in the distance, but some patchy dense fog in some areas, not really causing any problems, as you can see there on the sky cam as we go through the day today. Partly cloudy skies, a few patchy isolated showers will show up on the radar, but you can tell the coverage is going to be quite small. Temperatures rising into the lower 90s in many locations, a few spots touching the upper 90s. If you get under one of these isolated showers today, it could pack a punch though with gusty winds and some very heavy rains as we saw yesterday with some flash flooding in parts of Franklin County. Forecast highs across the state today. Everyone should be in the 90s club, ranging between about 90 and 94 degrees depending on your location. Now our two big games today, Auburn traveling to Oklahoma, to Norman to take on the Sooners. Chance of a shower, especially late in the game. We'll watch for a lightning threat, particularly in the second half. Temperatures rising into the upper 80s, falling back into the middle 80s by the end of the game. UAB traveling to Knoxville to take on Tennessee, expecting partly cloudy and warm conditions with highs rising into the upper 80s. Now, over the next 3 or 4 days, we expect scattered showers to, widely scattered showers to be the main course for here in Alabama. Today, we expect those as we saw on the convection allowing model there, to be with us again tomorrow, maybe a little more plentiful. Temperatures again rising into the lower 90s. And then for Monday, it looks like we could see the development of more showers and thunderstorms to our north over the Tennessee Valley. This will be a trend here in Alabama. Again, we'll see isolated to widely scattered showers and thunderstorms, highs in the 90s. But then by Tuesday, we see this low pressure in Missouri that will be pushing this cold front our way. By Wednesday, that will increase our rain chances, especially over the northwestern part of the state. That will be a trend we'll see toward Thursday. Now, Tropical Storm Gabrielle is getting its act together this morning, about 800 miles southeast of Bermuda. It should pass east of the island during the day or during the morning hours on Monday, becoming better organized and increasing in intensity today, becoming a hurricane tomorrow. Should be a 90-mile-per-hour hurricane as it passes east of Bermuda on Monday morning, perhaps even as strong as 105 miles an hour, turning to the northeast it looks like it will continue to be a tropical cyclone throughout this next 4 to 5 day period, but eventually the cooler waters of the North Atlantic will take a toll and it will become extratropical. The only other system we're watching is this wave right here in the Atlantic. The global models don't give it much of a chance. It should pass north of the islands and it will not be a threat to the United States or the Gulf. Your 7-day forecast for North Alabama. We gradually will ratchet down the temperatures just a little bit as we get that front in here. Probably passing through the northern half of the state by Thursday, but we'll keep rain chances into the forecast through Friday. For South Alabama, it's kind of the same thing. The frontal system settles into the southern part of the state Thursday, increasing the rain chances over that part of our state. But high temperatures will continue to be in the lower 90s through Thursday, falling back into the upper 80s on Friday. Overnight lows will be in the upper 60s to near 70.